protests are growing in the city this morning after a suspected bomb attack.
What have you got?
One Michael Mason, outstanding warrants in 4 states for fraud.
So let's go get him.
Discreetly.
Okay. This does not look good for you.
I'm pickpocket. I stole the bag, but I didn't know there was a bomb in it.
But you ran. Innocent people do not run.
You were coming after me. Have you seen yourself?
Must be really good.
I'm the best.
Just walk up to me and steal my wallet. Still there.
But the money's gone.
Give me that.
The bomb was made by an undercover police officer.
Your job's to close this down.
Listen, Michael, you want to clear your name? Go in there, get me a lead.
Deal.
This is an opportunity.
It's all about the distraction.
Good job.
I don't work for the CIA.
City's under threat. They do today.
We have a conspiracy in the heart of the police force.
They planning another bomb? Sorry, I think you got the wrong address. We were compromised. They were tactical gas masks. These guys aren't cops.
The Bastille Day protest gets underway this morning.
Playing chess with the city right now. We got a job to do.
You really should think about anger management.
Briar.
You're reckless and irresponsible. You can't just run and start firing.
If you do this, you are on your own.
Briar! And what can we do? There's only 2 of us. What are you doing? Going in alone, no plan, no backup.
I'm reckless and irresponsible.
Can I get a gun?
Follow me into the jungle.